Hi guys, in this video we talk about Vivo X100 Pro versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Vivo X100 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $850. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight. The Vivo X100 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 220 grams, same weight. The both device come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the mobiles come with dual SIM support. The display type. The Vivo X100 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion screen type. The screen size. Vivo X100 Pro come with 6.78 inches. Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 6.82 inches. The resolution. The Vivo X100 Pro come with 1260 by 2800 pixels. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 1440 by 2168 pixels. The PPI density. The Vivo X100 Pro come with 450 PPI density and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 510 PPI density. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120Hz. The screen to body ratio. The Vivo X100 Pro come with 89.8%. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 19.3%. The protection. The Vivo X100 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the same Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The screen brightness. The Vivo X100 Pro come with 3000 nits peak of brightness and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Vivo X100 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide and 50 MP periscope telephoto with this optics, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide, 50 MP periscope telephoto with Hasselblad color calibration, and it's record 4K 60fps video. The selfie camera. The Vivo X100 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 32 MP of selfie camera and it's record 4K 60fps video with front camera. The platform. The Vivo X100 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and Vivo X100 Pro come with MediaTek 9300 4nm chipset and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Vivo X100 Pro come with Motorola G720 GPU and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Adreno 750, and the both devices come with Android 14 operating system. Let's talk about the memory. The Vivo X100 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the same Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The internal storage. The Vivo X100 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD cards in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery setup. The Vivo X100 Pro come with 5400 mAh battery and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery. The both mobile come with 100 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging, and it's come with 5G network support. The common Zen feature is same, and the result of these devices. The Vivo X100 Pro come with got 22 points and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 25 points.